Good afternoon and welcome to the Cohen Group Northwest studio for the April infrastructure update with
Max Burge
and Tiffany Holden. And today we're talking about a topic that we're sure you're going to be hearing a lot about for the next 6 months, year and a half, or 2 years as the water adjudication process for the Nooksack River Basin starts at the Whatcom County Superior Court. So, Max, what is water adjudication?
It's a good question, and it's a term that I wasn't too familiar with until just recently when this became more of a topic. Great definition for water adjudication is the quantifying of all legal water rights, including federal and tribal rights. Final goal of water adjudication being that every water user on a water source will have a number, a priority date, a quantity, and a place or purpose of use. And we expect the Department of Ecology to get this process started this fall by filing in Superior Court. All of the relevant property owners would be notified, and the Superior Court will set deadlines and pathways for how this process will play out.
This process is likely to be fairly complex, involving a fair amount of paperwork, which makes sense. There's overlapping water rights and water documentation going back over 100 years in Whatcom County.
While neither Tiffany or I are experts in water adjudication, the Department of Ecology are our local experts, and they put together a program identifying community concerns and outlining the process where you can learn a lot more about how this all comes together.
A direct way to access that webinar itself is by going to livebellinghamnow.com/blog, where we've compiled a summary of the webinar as well as several different key links to other Department of Ecology or Whatcom County water resources. We're talking things like well records, the specific webpage for the Nooksack adjudication, a Department of Ecology water rights search, the Washington State Well Report Viewer, and information about a local water right advisory committee. As a property owner in Washington State and specifically in Whatcom County, if you have questions or concerns, these are great places to start to do some research on your own property before the water adjudication process begins.
And that was this month's infrastructure update. Thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you back here next month.